Welcome back to my unboxing channel. Last time I unboxed the solid microphone interview set, but I could not test it out, so I'll test it out on another phone. Today we're gonna be unboxing this box. Let's unbox this and see what we have in here. Okay, let's unbox this item. Can y'all see that? Unboxing. Okay, I'm gonna cut it open. Now I'm gonna open it up. Open it up. Okay, I just opened the box. Now I'm gonna put my knife back and yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Put the light closer. Let's see what this is. Let's see, we got bubbles, bubble wrap. Let's see, okay. EVO Select 128GB Samsung. This looks strange. I've never seen it packaged like this before. EVO Select with SD adapter, 128GB. See, made in. Where's it made in? Made in. Doesn't say where it's made in. Made in the Philippines. Made in the Philippines. Okay. Okay, I'll put it in and test it out later. And then here we have this one. Pretty cheap camcorder. Ultra HD 2.7K. It looks like somebody opened it already. That was new. That sucks. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, it looks like somebody opened up the box already and they returned it, because the box looks pretty beat up. But see, it looks kind of crunched right here. Right here, looks like someone dropped it right here. So let me open it up right now. Open this up. Okay. Open it up. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. So I have it open up like this. Let's see, we have manual, stereo microphone user manual. That's useful. I'll save that for later. User manual. That's useful there. Time-lapse photo. Ooh, slow motion. Turn over screen. Switch on. System requirements. Functions and features. Digital video 2.7K, digital camera 36 megapixel, mass storage. Okay. And here's the grand opening. We're gonna pull this out. Oh, it lifts right up. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got this thing. I don't know what this is. Okay, we got this thing here. I don't know what this is, but it came in here. So put it here. Put it here. And then we got this thing here. This must be the camera. We got two batteries. One battery. One battery. Two battery. One battery. Two battery. Okay. We got some kind of USB cable. Okay. USB cable. And see what's in here. Some more cables. I'm not sure what kind of cables these are. Let me look. This bag looks kind of new. It hasn't been opened yet. Okay. I don't know what this is. It feels like an HDMI cable. or USB cable. This one looks open. This is the power adapter. Oh, and there's a USB connector here. I guess that's for charging the camera. And this is the microphone here. The microphone is right here. So I think you attach the microphone to this thing because it looks like it has a tripod connection on here. But I'm not sure how that works, so I'll look into it later. Put it back. There's a remote controller. I don't know how that works. There's another cable. I don't know what this is for. Okay, and there's another thing in here. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, it's the hood. It's the lens hood to protect it from water damage or sparks. Okay. So here's the camera. Here's what it looks like. And this is the box right here. It's the box right here. Ultra HD 2.7K. Put that in the background just to get that look cool. Okay, let me open this. Okay. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's pretty compact. It's not that I don't know if the battery's fully charged to be used, but I'm gonna take it out and try it out. See, it looks kind of dusty, like somebody used it already, but I thought it was brand new. It's kind of dusty. Yeah, there's dust right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find out where the the micro SD slot is, and I'm gonna attach it to it. Okay, what is this? What the heck? Oh, this is the charging cable. Okay, so this is something here. Okay, so we're gonna set it up. User manual. Okay, metal sheet die. Please format the memory card if it's new or has unidentified data or photos made by other camera. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna set this up first. To be continued. I'll make another video setting this up.